Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to create the create account or login page for our to-do list mobile application. So if we don't create a login function or a user profile function, then we won't able to store the information of the user in the Firestore database. To store it to the online database, we have to make the user allow the user to create the account. Only then we can understand that whose data is this. To differentiate the data between the users, we need to create the account function. So we will take a new page. It will be create account. We will add a container. Width and height both will be 100%. And now we will add a column. In the column we will add another container. Columns main axis alignment will be at the middle. The container's fill color should be primary background. We will give the column some padding, 12 from the left, 12 from the right, and that's it. For the container, we will set the container to 90% and height will also be 90%. Not, we don't need that much, so it's 70%. Okay, border radius, let's make the border radius to 24. Now we need another column. In the column we will add a text. At first we will add a text in the previous column. At the top, give the text some padding. It should be welcome to the to-do list app, or welcome to the to-do list. That's it. Now we will add a text field. Add another text field. And this column's main axis alignment should also be at the middle, center place. This should be 90% or 70%. Max lines will be 1. Go to the hint text and change it to email. It will be the email field, and the second will be the password field. The the width should also be focus border color success green, and the width should be 70%. Give some padding like 5. We will add another, that is confirm password field. And we also need a button. The button says create account. Button width should also be 70%. We will reduce the color's intensity. It gives it a premium look. You can give something in blue or some dark blue. Okay. Now we will add another button here. If the user already have an account, then we should allow the user to log in with their personal credentials. Give the row some padding, 12 from left, 12 from right. Add another text. The text says already has an account. The row's upper alignment should be, upper padding should be more than 12, and add and container's height should be 50, not more than 50, or let's say 32. Give some padding. In the container we will add a text. Border radius, we will give a good amount of border radius, and the text alignment should be at the center, and it says and it allows the user to go to the login page. I think we should make the height of the button a little bit more. We will copy the color code from here. Copy the color code and paste it here as well. We already have completed our create account page. We will name the text fields. And this is confirm password. Click the create account button. we should create an account. So it should be create document, user, task type, collection should be user, set fields. Sorry, it should be create account, not create document. So in Firebase Authentication, create an account, email field, then email field. These are the text field options that we have created. So this is the email field, so we will set email. We will modify this from variable, widget state and password, and this is also the from variable, widget state and confirm password. And that's it. We will create a snack bar. So snack bar, your account was created successfully. As this is a create account page, so we will write create account here. Give it a comic look. I think the fill color isn't looking that much good, so we will change the fill color of the button. Secondary background and border color should be secondary background. Reduce the fill color and that's it. Same for this. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is our create account page, and we have created our first create account page. Through this, the user will able to create an account, and as you can see that we have go to the app details page, and the entry page should be create account page, and the logged in page should be home page. So in the next video we will continue our to-do list app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.